Union Minister Rajiv Shukla, thank you very much for joining us on the panel tonight. Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP spokesperson is taking you on.
Thank you.
Kamal Farooqi of the Samajwadi Party, Dr. Manisha Priyam, well-known political analyst. So Rajiv Shukla, fundamentally what changes after this? He leads the 2014 campaign. Does this mean that we are going to see Rahul Gandhi speak on Maoism, on foreign policy, on domestic issues, on the issue of terror, on the issue of minority rights, on the issue of communal violence? Will we see Rahul Gandhi come forth and talk on these issues as well, so people of this country have a better sense of where he stands on these issues?
Well, Arnab, he has been speaking on many issues in the past, and that he will expressing his opinion about these issues, whatever he feels like doing. But as far as today's decision is concerned, it's about the Lok Sabha elections, which is one and a half year, away from today, and the preparations will start from now, and he'll be part of it. I mean, because he loves being part of the process. No, that's why it's being done, and he'll be, formulating the strategy. He'll be
when you're heading a campaign for a general
plan
election,
to fight the
when you're heading a campaign
election.
When you're heading a campaign for a general election, is that enough? Siddharth Nath Singh, Rajiv Shukla says he'd be part of it. He likes to be part of things like this. Is that enough in your view from Rahul Gandhi?
Well, Arnab, how do we judge a person? Now, Rajiv Shukla ji will definitely agree with me that he is the best bet, being the Gandhi, coming from Gandhi family, he is the best bet that the Congressers have. So they have played that card. But how do we judge him? We'll judge him on the basis of his past performance. And his past performance has been very dismal, be it Bihar, be it Uttar Pradesh. And when you raise important issues like Maoism, Naxalisms, on inflation, on external affairs, we have hardly heard about him. And I don't know, Arnab, whether he'll oblige Times Now and Mr. Arnab Goswami to come and on a one-to-one, forget about a debate with the BJP, but one-to-one on all these issues. We haven't really heard about so how do you judge it? We can't really say what the future bestows for him. But
Rajiv Shukla is rebutting you.
Record, he has been a failure.
Rajiv Shukla is rebutting you. The question of past performance.
Well, I would like to...
Yes, Mr. Shukla.
I would like to ask my dear friend Siddharth Nath Singh that when he talks about past performance, I think he forgets 2009. The entire media had given the credit for 2009 victory to Rahul Gandhi. He deliberately skips that 2009 mention. He only talks about Bihar and UP, and he forgets the 2009 thing. The last Lok Sabha election in which the BJP had lost under the dynamic leadership of Mr. L.K. Advani. So he always forgets it. So he should talk about the performance of his own leaders also. So I am talking about, and secondly about Maoism or Naxalism. Rahul Gandhi had already expressed his views during his Orissa visit. He has expressed his views about land reforms also, many things, environment also, and all these tribals also. So he has expressed his views all about on these issues in the past as well. Secondly, as far as coronation theory is concerned, this is one responsibility which has been assigned to him. Now we are expecting him to accept a bigger responsibility, which Congress president...
Why are you playing it out part by part, step by step? Why is there such a cautious approach?
Soon some announcement will take place.
If you're going to...
We are expecting that soon some announcement will take place in which he is going to assume a far bigger responsibility.
So when that takes place, perhaps the story opens up. Siddharth Nath Singh wants to respond. I want to go to Kamal Farooqi. Kamal Farooqi, is that enough in your view? One second. Let's get everyone in. Kamal Farooqi, this gradual step-by-step elevation of Rahul Gandhi, what should it be accompanied with?
Basically, first of all, I will wish him all the best. Since he is trying the third time, after Bihar and then UP, and now he is trying for the third time. I will not call him that whether he was a failure or not, but the result shows the otherwise. And as far as this present elevation is concerned, They have prepared him for 2014. Let us see what he does. That is the internal party matter. But as far as the Rahul Gandhi is concerned, up to now we have not seen him very open on the national issues, and it is yet to come out from him as to what kind of India he is looking for, what kind of vision he has got. It is hardly available on in the parliament or in the media. So we have to judge him from his performance. As far as past performance is concerned, Shukla Bhai was saying about 2009. 2009 afterwards we have seen two disasters. That was one in Bihar and the other in his UP. So he has to prove his worth.
No, but he's now the leader of this group.
As I said earlier,
he heads the coordination committee. So the dynamics, he's heading it now. He's no longer a member of this group.
Arnab, even otherwise, whether you call him a head or not, even in Bihar and UP, he was calling the shots. We know, all of us know that he was the boss over there. He was looking after
Has the Congress party denied it?
Going to,
no, they have not denied that he was calling the shots.
How can it deny?
No, they have not denied that he was calling the shots in Uttar Pradesh. They haven't denied.
So
Rajiv Shukla.
So how can you say that he is?
Rajiv Shukla, both the SP and the BJP are accusing you today of protecting Rahul Gandhi too much. It appears that both the opposition parties want you to let Rahul Gandhi off, let him lose a little bit, let him come out on his own, let him fly solo, let him take the tough questions from the BJP, let him engage in a political debate with the main opposition parties on the critical issues of economy, terror, human rights, politics, caste and religion. With all the main political parties of India.
That he has been already taking.
Has he?
What he does, he may not be addressing any press conference in Delhi, or he may not be talking national press in Delhi, but whenever he is on tour in the state, he speaks to media. He expresses his opinion on lot many
but why doesn't he open up to the media?
Which have
why
been mentioned by you. Why doesn't he open up to the media? It's not that he is not opening.
Why doesn't he open up in a public debate with political parties? Why is he being kept aloof?
He is talking to media, and through media is talking to political parties also. He is making
when is he spoken to the media?
Rallies. Otherwise also, whenever he visits any state, he talks to media there.
No, when has he spoken to the media?
So that's one thing. So he's talking
when has there been one?
Secondly, I just
not one interview.
I just wanted to make one.
Where he can be asked direct questions.
Emphasize here. No, I wanted to emphasize on one more issue. They are talking about Bihar elections. Bihar elections, Rahul Gandhi actually was not involved as he is being made out to be. He was not that involved. Bihar elections, he only addressed few rallies. He was definitely involved in UP election, and because of him, because of his campaign, our vote percentage went up from 9% to 13%.
But can you have this?
No organization at the ground level. That's why we lost that election.
No, can you have this approach for a national election?
You paid dividends to the party.
No, but can you have this approach for a national election? Can you say that I will count the victories but not count the losses? I will divide responsibility. I will protect him through a committee.
In national elections, his performance has been good. In national elections, his performance has been good.
Manisha Priyam,
results are showing that how his hard work paid. How his hard work really paid dividends to the party.
Manisha, do you buy the argument of the minister tonight?
Ornab, can I come in here?
Yes, okay. Siddharth, go in.
Ornab, let me just remind Mr. Rajiv Shukla that he is a minister under Manmohan Singh. I think the entire nation in 2009 has credited, even the media has credited Mr. Manmohan Singh for the victory of Congress and the UPA because of the urban voters putting faith in Manmohan Singh, and it was not Rahul Gandhi who was heading any campaign committee or was a part of the Lok Sabha 2009, which he is being now.